Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Hello children. In 7th standard we already started the lesson integer, that is first lesson. In this chapter we already know that what are natural numbers, what are whole numbers, and what are integers, and how we can draw the number line, and how we can form, or how can we can plot the numbers on the number line. We all these things we discuss in last class. So in this class we are going to learn small and big number. Small and big means smallest number and largest number. How can we find out in the integers? So same thing, but little bit different is there. Just I will explain with the example. If I take two numbers, okay, first I will take positive numbers, plus 4 and plus 6. In these two numbers, which is the bigger number? If I ask, you can easily say that 6. Don't say only 6, you must say in integer plus 6. Plus 6 is largest number, plus 6 is largest number, and plus 4 is smallest number. Okay, so it is easy. Now just I will change the digits. If I take minus 7 and minus 2, just concentration on this because it is little bit confusion if you don't try to understand properly. So here two digits are there here, minus 7 and one more minus 2. In these two number, which is the bigger number? If I ask, almost students told that, sir, minus 7 is biggest number. It is totally wrong. Why minus 7 is not big? Children, just I will explain with number line. If we take number line, in this number line you know very well, in between 0 is present, and right side positive numbers and left side negative numbers. Left side negative numbers and right side positive numbers are present in number line, you know very well. So if I mark here in proper partition, here right side from the 0 all numbers are positive, you know in last class. Plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, so on. And from the left side from the 0 all numbers are negative numbers, means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7. So this is the number line. So here in this example I asked that minus 7, minus 2. In these two numbers, which is the bigger number? Some students give the answers minus 7, because it is wrong, because here when minus sign is there, you don't go through the number bigger number or small. So just what happens here, in negative numbers, when the number is increase, means when the number is bigger, the value of that number is decrease. Understood? When the number going to bigger, the value is decreasing. Means what happens? See, if I ask in 0 and minus 1, which is the bigger? The 0 is bigger. In minus 1, minus 2, which one is the bigger in these two numbers? Yes, minus 1 is bigger. See here, 1 is there, here 2 is there. Okay, don't concentration on this. When the number is going to ascending order, when the number is bigger, the value of that number is decreasing. Decrease means less. So minus 1, minus 2. Here in these two number, minus 1 is bigger. If I take minus 2 and minus 3, in these two number, minus 3 is small and minus 2 is big. In minus 3 and minus 4, in these two numbers, minus 4 is smaller and minus 3 is big. Means here 4 is there. I will repeat once again. Don't see the big number. You have to find out the value of this number. Okay, so minus 3 is greater than the minus 4, minus 4 is greater than the minus 5, minus 5 is greater than the minus 6, minus 6 is greater than the minus 7, minus 7 is greater than minus 8, like this going so on. So in these two examples, come to again our example, minus 7 and minus 2. In these two numbers, yes, minus 2 is largest number. Minus 2 is largest number and minus 7 is smallest number. Number is, it shows number is big, but the value of this number is small and value of this number is small. Okay, I will meet in next class. Okay, thank you.